Hello everyone, welcome to Access for Free. Today I will show you how to mask phone numbers and passwords. Let's get started. Here, I have opened a contacts table. As you can see, the phone numbers and passwords are not masked properly. So let's start the masking. First, go to Design View. Now make sure that your phone number field has the data type set to short text. At the bottom, you will see the Field Properties section. From here, go to the Input Mask option. You can type the mask directly, but I prefer using the wizard. So, click on the three dots, and the wizard will open. Here, choose the Phone Number Mask and press Next. The default phone number mask gives you 3 digits for the extension or area code and 7 digits for the phone number. You can edit this by increasing or decreasing the number of nines or zeros, like this. You can also change the placeholder character here as well. I prefer the default system, so let's go with it. Next, you can choose whether to save the number with symbols or without symbols. If you save it with symbols, the symbols will remain even if you later remove the mask. I prefer saving without symbols, as it makes the phone number easier to copy, paste, or share elsewhere. Click Next, and then Finish. Now get back to the datasheet view. Here, as you can see, all phone numbers are formatted properly in a nice, consistent manner. Now look at this last value. Since it had only 9 digits, it is masked by removing 1 extension digit. Now, if you want to add new phone numbers, you can simply type them into this mask. If you have fewer extension digits, you can escape them by simply pressing space, but you cannot escape the digits of the phone number. So now, if you want the extension to be exactly 3 digits as well, go to Design View and replace the 9s with zeros. Then get back to Datasheet View. It will not validate all values automatically, so let's retype this. Now, you cannot escape the extension digits. Okay, let me explain the characters we used for masking. 9 means you can enter a digit or leave it blank. 0 means you must enter a digit. Hashtag means you can enter a digit, a space, a plus sign, or a minus sign. Capital L means you must enter a letter. Question mark means you can enter a letter or leave it blank. Capital A means you must enter a letter or a digit. Small a means you can enter a letter or a digit or leave it blank. And sign means you must enter any character or a space. Capital C means you can enter any character or spaces or leave it blank. Greater than converts letters to uppercase. Smaller than converts letters to lowercase. Exclamation mark means characters fill from left to right. These are all the input masks you can use. Okay, now let's mask the password field. Open Design View, select the password field, go to Field Properties, then Input Mask, and type password. Save the table and go back to Datasheet View. Now all the passwords are masked with the asterisk sign. Even while typing, you can't see the characters. That's all for today. If you want to see how I formatted this email field to accept only email addresses, check out this video. Link in the description. If you want me to create a video on any other topic, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.